students, welcome to Sunil's tutorial. Today we will be doing this revision exercise that you got. We are going to mix up the chapters and let's see how we can solve these exercises. It's a revision exercise of all the chapters that we've done so far. Right? Find all trigger ratios for minus 5 pi by 6 radians. Okay, now let's see this. How do we solve this? Now minus 5 pi by 6 radians. Substitute the value of pi radians. Pi radians is nothing but 180 degree. So this is going to be into 180 degree. Substitute the value of pi radians as 180 degree. This is 30. So this is minus 150 degree. Right? Minus 150 degree is going to be nothing but, in terms of positive, 360, 210 degrees. How did I get 210? 360 minus 150. I need to find out all trigger ratios. That means for 210 degrees. Right? How do I do this? Right? Origin. Now 210 degrees is going to be in the third quadrant. This is going to be 210 degree. Right? O, A, B. Right? So you will say let angle O, A, B equal to 210 degrees, or it is also minus 150 degrees. Minus 150 degrees is nothing but 210 degrees. Now draw a unit circle with O as the center. Right? Therefore, I can say that length AB is going to be equal to 1. Right? Since this is a unit circle, that means this length will be 1. Now draw BM perpendicular to x-axis. Let's draw BM perpendicular to x-axis. Right? Now, I can therefore say that angle MAB is going to be, see till here it is 1, this whole angle is 210 and your first two quadrants are 180 degrees. So it will be 210 minus 180, that is 30 degrees. So that means just this angle is going to be 30 degrees. Right? We already know that angle BMA is 90 degree. Therefore, I can say that angle MBA has to be 60 degree. Right? Now if I use 30, 60, 90 theorem, the side opposite to 30 degree has to be half the hypo. Right? Hypotenuse we said is AB. So I can say length MB is going to be half the hypotenuse AB. This is by 30, 60, 90 theorem. So I can therefore say that length MB is half. Now I can apply Pythagoras theorem. If I apply Pythagoras theorem, I can say that AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square. So AB square is 1, AM square we don't know, plus BM you just found out is 1 upon 2 the whole square. Therefore 1 upon 2 the whole square is 1 upon 4. 1 minus 1 upon 4 is AM square. 3 upon 4 is AM square. AM is root 3 by 2. Right? Now, once I have the values plus minus root 3 by 2, because if I take square root, I have to take plus minus root 3 by 2. Now, in that case, since it is in third quadrant, since M is in third quadrant, right? In that case, I can therefore say that M is not in the third quadrant. Okay. Since your angle is in the third quadrant, you will have length AM. Length, since AM is to the left side of the origin, therefore AM will be negative minus root 3 by 2. Similarly, I can say that BM is in the third quadrant. BM is in third quadrant. Therefore, BM will also be negative. So BM will be negative 1 by 2. Once I have the value of AM and BM, then I can find out all the trigo ratios. Let's see, how do I find out the trigo ratios? I can say that sine 210. Sine is nothing but opposite upon hypo. Opposite is nothing but BM upon hypo, AB. So sine 210, BM we found out is nothing but minus 1 by 2, AB is 1. Then cos 210 is adjacent upon hypo, that is nothing but AM upon AB. AM we found out is negative root 3 by 2. Tan 210 is nothing but opposite upon adjacent, that is BM upon AM. BM we had found out as minus 1 by 2. AM we found out is root 3 by 2, right? 2 and 2 gets cancelled, minus root 3 by 2, so 1 by root 3.
Minus 1.
Plus, no? Because you
Minus 1 upon 2.
Minus 1 upon 2 and minus and minus sign will get cancelled, right? Cosec 210. Cosec is nothing but 1 upon sine, so it will be minus 2. Sec 210 is nothing but reciprocal of cos 210, so that is minus 2 by root 3. And cot 210 is going to be root 3, is reciprocal of tan. So that's how you get all trigo ratios for minus 5 pi by 6 radians, right? Next, let's see the next sum, guys. X is given to you as 3 plus 2i. Therefore, I can say x minus 3 is 2i squaring. If I square, I'll get x minus 3 the whole square is 2i the whole square. So I'll get x square minus 6x plus 9 is 4i square. So x square minus 6x plus 9, I square is minus 1, so that's 4 into minus 1. So x square minus 6x plus 9 is minus 4. Take 4 on the other side, so I'll get x square minus 6x plus 13 is 0. They have asked you to find the value of x raised to 4 minus 4x cube plus 6x square minus 3x plus 66. Whatever they have asked you to find the value of, divide that number with what you just got, x square minus 6x plus 13. Now what should I multiply x square with in order to get x4? I should multiply this by x square. So this will be x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square, right? When you subtract, sign of all the numbers become reverse. So this is going to be 2x cube minus 7x square minus 3x plus 66. What should I multiply x square with in order to get 2x cube plus 2x? So in that case, I'll get 2x cube minus 12x square plus 26x, right? So in that case, you will get this as, this is minus plus minus. So in that case, this is going to be 5x square minus 29x plus 66 x square. I'll multiply x square with 5, so you will get 5x square minus 30x plus 65. All the signs become reversed. So in that case you will get x plus 1. Now we know that divisor is equal to dividend into quotient plus remainder, right? Now out of which we have already found the value of x square minus 6x plus 13 to be 0. So 0 into x square plus 2x plus 5 plus x. X can be written right at the beginning. They give you the value of x as 3 plus 2y plus 1. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So the answer is 4 plus 2y. Right? Next, let's move on to the next one, guys. Right, let's see this. Find the 8th decile for the following data. Class is given to you as 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, and 35 to 39. Frequency is given to you as 3, 7, 16, 12, 9 and 5. First thing that you need to do is you need to find out less than CF. Less than CF. How do I find out less than CF? Write 3 as it is. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 16, 26. 38, 47, 52. Right? Once you have this, then this number is called as n. So I can say class of P8 is nothing but 8n by 10th term. So that's 8 into 52 divided by 10. So 8 into 5.2, 8 2s are 16, 40, 41, 41.6 term. Right? Now 41.6 is less than 47 in CF column. Therefore I can say that L1, now since the limits are not continuous, I will say L1 is going to be reduce the lower limit by 0.5, so that's 29.5. L2 is 34.5, F is 9 and CF is the number above it, that's 38. In that case D8 is given by the formula L1 plus 8n by 10 minus CF upon F. L2 minus L1. L1 is given to you as 29.5 plus 41.6 minus CF upon F. F you found out as 9. L2 minus L1, 34.5 minus 29.5. This is 29.5 plus 38, 39, 40, 41, 3.6 upon 9 into this is 29.5. So this is 29.5 plus 0.4 into 5, that is 2, so 31.5. So D8 is going to be nothing but 31.5. Right? Next, move on ahead. Next sum. Find quartile deviation for the following data. Marks is given to you as 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. And number is given to you as number of students is given to you as 5, 6, 25, 10, 4. Right? First thing that you do is you find out less than CF. How do you find out less than CF? You write this number here as it is. 5 plus 6, 11, 25, 36, 46, 50. All this number is n. Now, class of Q1 is nothing but n by 4th term. So that's 50 by 4. That's 12.5th term. 12.5 is less than 36 in CF column. So in that case, I can say that L1 is 40, L2 is 60, F is 25, and CF is the number above that, which is 11. So in that case, I can say Q1 is nothing but L1 plus n by 4 minus CF upon F, L2 minus L1. So L1 is 40 plus n by 4, 12.5 minus 11 upon F, 25 into L2 minus L1, that's 60 minus 40. So this is 40 plus 1.5 upon 25 into 20, 5 4s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are, 0.3s are. So that's 40 plus 1.2, that's 41.2, right? Once you have this, then you can find out class of Q3. Class of Q3 is 3n by 4th term. So that's 3 into n. N is 50 divided by 4. That's 37.5th term. 37.5 is less than 46 in CF column. So in that case, I can say L1 is 60, L2 is 80, F is 10, and CF is the number above that, so that is going to be 36. Right? Now, once you have this, then you can say that Q3 is L1 plus 3n by 4 minus CF upon F, L2 minus L1. So L1 is 60 plus 3n by 4, 37.5 minus CF upon F, L2 minus L1, 80 minus 60. So in that case, that will be 60 plus 1.5 upon 10 into 20. That's 60 plus 3, that is 63. They've asked you to find out QD, quantile deviation. QD is nothing but Q3 minus Q1 upon 2. Q3 you found out as 63. Q1 is 41.2 upon 2, 42, 43, 63 upon 2. This is 10.4. No. 1 2 are 2, 0, 10.9. Right? So your QD is going to be 10.9. Right? This finishes the sum. We'll stop this here for the day. Thank you very much.